The 2025 FSF-1 Sea Fighter is a groundbreaking sixth-generation vessel that redefines naval performance with cutting-edge technology, unmatched speed, and next-level efficiency. Designed for both combat and multi-role operations, this high-tech sea fighter blends stealth, power, and adaptability, making it a force to be reckoned with on the open waters. Whether engaging in high-speed pursuits, stealth missions, or defensive operations, the FSF-1 is a true testament to modern engineering and military prowess. At the heart of its performance is an advanced propulsion system that delivers unprecedented speed and maneuverability. Equipped with next-gen hybrid marine engines, the FSF-1 achieves blistering acceleration while maintaining superior fuel efficiency. The integration of AI-assisted navigation and combat systems ensures seamless control in high-pressure scenarios, while its lightweight yet durable composite hull enhances agility. The vessel's modular design allows for quick adaptation to different mission profiles, from reconnaissance to direct combat. Its state-of-the-art weapon systems, including laser-guided missile launchers and automated defense turrets, make it one of the most formidable naval assets of the modern era. The exterior design of the FSF-1 Sea Fighter is nothing short of revolutionary. Featuring a sleek, angular structure with advanced stealth coatings, it minimizes radar visibility, making it virtually undetectable in hostile waters. Its low-profile superstructure reduces drag, improving speed and handling in turbulent conditions. The deck is optimized for drone operations, with integrated launch and recovery systems for unmanned aerial and underwater vehicles. LED integrated navigation lights and an adaptive camouflage system allow it to blend seamlessly into its surroundings, giving it a tactical edge in covert operations. Despite its high-performance capabilities, the FSF-1 excels in fuel efficiency, thanks to its hybrid propulsion system that seamlessly switches between traditional and electric power. This reduces fuel consumption while maintaining peak performance, extending mission endurance. The use of sustainable biofuels and energy recovery systems further enhances efficiency, allowing for longer operational ranges without frequent refueling. These advancements not only reduce operational costs but also align with modern environmental considerations. The 2025 FSF-1 Sea Fighter is the future of naval warfare, bringing together speed, stealth, and sustainability in a single, high-tech package. Whether deployed for combat, surveillance, or strategic missions, it stands as a symbol of innovation and dominance on the seas. With cutting-edge design and top-tier technology, the FSF-1 isn't just a vessel, it's a revolution in maritime defense. Stay tuned for more in-depth reviews on Sky and Sea Reviews as we explore the latest advancements in naval engineering.